Hi guys, welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to change theme in Being AI. As we all know, Being AI is one of the most trend AI tool nowadays that will really blow up your minds because Being AI is an artificial intelligence that will help you to make your life comfortable and more easier. So now, without a further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do, guys, is open your Bing AI app. All right. So we have here already. So now, after opening our Bing AI, as you can see, as usual, we have here a five icons: the homepage icon, do's, chat, tabs, and the apps. So now, since we are going to change the theme of Being AI, all we have to do is over here at the upper part, right part of the screen. So we have to select it. And once we tap this one, guys, let's tap settings. All right. So once we click the setting, guys, let us scroll down our phone. All right, and over here, as you can see, there is a theme. And of course, there are only two choices. Aside from automatic, we have the dark and the light. So as you can see, guys, dark color is the default theme. So now let's try to change it into light theme. Okay, so let's try this one. So let's tap this light. Okay, so as you can see, it has already it changes. All right, so the picture of it becomes white. All right, so again, let's go back to the setting and dark. So there you go. As you can see, from the original, it has a block, then it becomes to white, and now it comes into original form or original theme, which is the black color. As you can see, the background of it. Okay, so again, so settings, and then the theme, and into light. So as you can see, the color of it now is color white. All right, so there you go. This is how simple how to change the theme in Being AI. So if you want to know on how to change theme in Being AI, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to change a theme in Being AI, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!